Hello, welcome back to my channel. COVID 19 has kept our children away from schools. Many of you might be teaching your preschoolers and have a question: how should I optimize the learning of my preschooler? This video will serve as an answer for it. It will also give hints to parents, teachers of preschoolers, and those who are pursuing early childhood education courses about teaching preschoolers in an effective way. If you are new to my channel, do like, share, and click the subscribe button below so that you get the latest updates about my video. There are certain principles one should follow while planning activities and experiences for preschoolers. These principles of learning are universal in nature and will optimize learning. They are simple to complex, known to unknown, concrete to abstract. Start with what the child is able to accomplish. This accomplishment will motivate him or her to learn further. For example, if your goal is to teach names of 10 fruits, start with teaching names of 2 fruits which will be within the capacity of the child to learn. Once the child starts naming these 2 fruits, add 2 more to the list to be learned. Similarly, go on adding the names. This way, you are helping the child from experiencing failure. While teaching the concept of big and small objects, make it simple by showing a wide difference between objects rather than minimum difference initially. This will help the child to see the difference clearly and facilitates learning. Once the child differentiates big and small objects, increase the complexity by minimizing the difference. While teaching swimming to children, we first teach simple hand and leg movements, then we teach them floating, then we teach them breathing, and finally we teach them how to coordinate these movements so that they can swim. The second principle is known to unknown. Start teaching a child from what he or she knows. To know what the child already knows, observe and assess the child. If a child is able to group an apple and an orange as fruits, then teach them the names of these fruits. Once she learns to name an apple and an orange, select 2 more names for teaching videos. While teaching writing skills, if the child knows scribbling and has a control over his writing tool, teach the child standing lines, sleeping lines, and curves. Once he masters this, go on to teach letters of English alphabet. After the child masters writing letters, go on to teach 2-lettered words, then 3-lettered words, and move on to teach simple sentences. The same principle applies to swimming too. The child knows how to move his hands and legs in water, yet he doesn't know how to swim. Based on what he knows, we should teach them swimming. The third principle is concrete to abstract. All of us learn about things by seeing and manipulating. As far as possible, concrete objects should be used. See that it doesn't interfere with safety of children. While teaching about fruits, initially allow the children to play with real fruits. Let them taste, smell, and touch different fruits. Then show them the 3-dimensional models of these fruits. Finally, use the pictures to teach about fruits. In this process, the child associates the names of the fruits to the pictures stored in his memory. The same principle applies to swimming too. The hand movements, the leg movements, breathing exercises that the child does in a swimming pool is a concrete experience. When this child goes back to the classroom and recollects his experiences and talks about it to his friends, it's a concrete experience. Applying these principles, simple to complex, known to unknown, concrete to abstract, to everyday teaching will optimize the learning of a preschooler. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yes.